Envato Elements versus Motion Array. Which is better? Envato Elements and Motion Array are both popular platforms that offer a wide range of digital assets for creative projects. While both platforms provide resources like stock photos, videos, music, and graphics, there are some differences that can help determine which one is better for your specific needs. So, first thing to consider would be the pricing. Let's look at Envato Elements, and this one operates on a subscription model, wherein you can pay a monthly or annual fee to access and download unlimited assets. This makes it cost effective if you have frequent creative needs. Basically, Envato Elements would be the better choice if you will be using this for a long time. So here, if you click on the Get Unlimited Downloads, you will see this offer of $16.50 per month, and below that is also an offer for students to get 30% discount. Moving on to the Motion Array, it offers different pricing models, including free assets and a paid subscription plan. The paid plan allows unlimited downloads and additional features like portfolio website and review tools. So to subscribe in here, just click on Start for Free, sign up your account, and once you're done, you will see the offers that Motion Array provides. Here is a $29.99 monthly subscription, and below that is an annual subscription that will cost you $19.99. So in terms of affordability, Motion Array's paid plan is slightly cheaper compared to Envato Element's monthly subscription, if you're going for a monthly subscription only. However, Envato Element's annual subscription offers a lower monthly cost if you're willing to commit to a longer term plan. Now, on to the next factor to consider: the content it offers. Elements in both Motion Array and Envato Elements offers video templates for Premiere Pro, After Effects, DaVinci Resolve, and Final Cut Pro. They both also have a lot of motion graphics and stock videos to offer. As you can see here, you can basically use any of these videos once you subscribe to them. Additionally, they both have music, sound effects, and photos. And again, once you subscribe, you can have unlimited downloads from both platforms. Another great and very helpful thing you can get from both is that they have a learning part where you can watch tutorials that can guide you on how to make your projects better at a higher quality. So that is a helpful thing, especially if you're new, since you have resources and knowledge on how to use it as well. Also, they both provide a free membership that allows access to a limited selection of assets only. The free plan includes a limited number of free downloads and access to some features. Now, Envato Element's advantage is that it has a vast library of over 2 million items, including stock videos, template, music, sound effects, graphic template, presentation templates, photos, fonts, add-ons, and a lot more templates. They offer a diverse range of content from various creators, may it be a PowerPoint presentation, layout templates, and even email templates. You can access it with Envato Elements. On the other hand, Motion Array offers a wide range of stock videos, motion graphics, After Effects templates, Premiere Pro templates, DaVinci Resolve, and Final Cut Pro. Their library focuses more on video-related assets. So in terms of the size of their stock library, Envato Elements have a significantly larger library than Motion Array. So to check this, I searched a word to see the results. I typed in roller skates and Envato Elements. I got 1,031 results. But as you can see, when I type in the same word in Motion Array, I only got 2 pages of results, which is obviously smaller than Envato Elements. So if you need a bigger library size, Envato Elements would be the better choice. Next thing is the downloading process. It's not a big thing, but downloading in Motion Array is faster than Envato Elements. When you found an asset to download in Motion Array, just click on the download or arrow down button and it will automatically download. On Envato Elements, you would need to click on another pop-up window before it downloads. It's not a big difference, but it just gives an extra step. Next would be the filters for each content. Envato Elements have filters for mood, genre, no vocals, vocals background, and they have looping, which I think is a very useful tool. With Motion Array, they didn't have as many filters. They didn't have the genre separated from the mood, and they didn't have the looping as well. So in this case, Envato Elements have the better filters for music. Now let's go on to templates. Both sides have great filters for the templates, but Motion Array is just better primarily because they have a whole separate category for Mogart's motion graphics templates for Premiere Pro, so it makes it easier to search for an asset that you might want to use. When on Envato Elements, you won't know if I'm just getting a Premiere Pro project or a Mogart itself. So the Motion Array is better in its templates filters. Ultimately, determining which platform is better just depends on your specific needs and preferences. If you require a broad range of digital assets, including photos, videos, music, and design elements, Envato Elements would be a better choice. On the other hand, if you don't need those add-ons like the graphics, fonts, presentations, and other stuff, and your primary focus is just video-related assets, Motion Array might be more suitable. Just to summarize, Envato Elements is the better choice if you will be subscribing annually, if you need a diverse range of content, from video templates to photos to PowerPoint templates, email templates, fonts, and photos. If you also need a huge library size of stock videos, and if you need a better filter for your audios, Envato Elements would be the better choice. On the other hand, Motion Array would be a better fit for you if you will be just subscribing monthly, if you're focused on video related contents, if you're sensitive in the downloading process, and if you need a better template filters. It's recommended to explore the libraries, features, and pricing plans of both platforms to make an informed decision based on your requirements. So that is all for this video. Do let us know if this video helped you out in deciding what's a better platform for you. And if you have any other questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a great day.